Now to a major setback for the Denver Public Schools District. About an hour ago, a judge denied their request for a preliminary injunction, meaning their restraining order against the Department of Homeland Security will likely expire. This comes after the Trump administration reversed policies that previously protected schools from federal immigration enforcement. Denver 7's Veronica Acosta joins us live outside the federal courthouse in Denver with the latest. Veronica?
That federal judge ruling against Denver Public Schools this afternoon, denying that motion to put a pause on a policy that allows those immigration enforcement actions at or near schools. And you guys, this has been a court battle between DPS and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. One of the judge's biggest questions being if the former policy would have prevented those immigration enforcement actions we saw across the Front Range at several different apartment complexes just last month. We spoke with a woman who lives at the Cedar Run apartments. That was mentioned several times in today's hearing. She told us it was what she didn't see on the morning of the immigration raid that really worried her.
So I had gotten here after the bus, but normally the bus is circulating at that time when I get home, and the bus was not there. There were children standing with their families on the balconies, you know, from what I could see, and these kids looked terrified.
And DPS releasing a statement this evening saying the judge acknowledged in part there are no fundamental differences between the 2021 and the 2025 policy, which had not been known prior to our court filing. DPS was successful in forcing the government to release a new 2025 guidance that had previously been kept from the public. The district also acknowledging its disappointment in this ruling. Obviously, they're important to note tonight that the judge did mention he doesn't typically issue rulings from his bench. He likes to take his time. He likes to have those decisions written. Instead, he decided to issue it from the bench because he thought this was such a pressing matter and something everyone needed an answer to sooner than later. In Denver, I'm Veronica Acosta, Denver 7.